Here I've got Philips S318 and let me show you how to grab a screen, how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at first let's open some display that you would like to capture. It can be, for example, one of your tools. Let's open the calendar. And if you would like to show someone your plans for October, tap on power key and volume down key, hold them all together for about 3 seconds. And that's it. As you can see, the screenshot has been made and now you can find it in the gallery. So let me open the gallery. Where is the gallery? Here it is. And now in the screenshot album, you will find the one that you just took. So here it is. Now you can edit it, you can share it with your friends, you can delete it obviously, or do whatever you want to with this screenshot, with this picture. So that would be all. This is how you can save display in your device in your Philips S318. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.